Let's look over the overall procedures for the Sesame Street Genetics lab. Starting out, I'd like to point out for procedure number 1 that there are 2 reference tables that you can use to help you complete a character traits chart for each of the Sesame Street characters that are listed. In addition to the reference tables, you can also use the internet to search out pictures of the characters if the charts don't help enough. Once you've completed the charts, there are 10 questions that you need to answer. Following those questions, you are then going to choose 2 Sesame Street characters that you would like to have traits passed on to create a new character. Once you've decided on your Sesame Street characters, you will complete the Parent 1 and Parent 2 charts, followed by completing Punnett squares for each of the traits that are listed. You want to be sure that you label each square with the trait and each character used. Following that, you are going to choose the traits of the offspring by flipping a coin, which you can receive from the teacher, for each trait. This will help determine what your character is going to look like. You will need to pay attention to the side and order in which the coin lands, and then you will circle the appropriate offspring genotypes based on the location that is listed below. For example, when you look at the Punnett square, when you flip the coin and you get a heads followed by another heads, then you will use the genotype listed in the top left box for that trait. If you flip a heads, then tails, you'll use the top right box of the Punnett square. If you flip a tails, then a heads, you'll use the bottom left box. If you flip a tails and another tails, you'll use the bottom right box. Once you've determined the traits for each of those categories, you will then complete the offspring chart based on what was circled from the Punnett squares. You also want to make sure you choose an appropriate name for the offspring. To determine your character's gender, you should complete a Punnett square and flip a coin the same way as listed above. Finally, you will create a color drawing of the offspring character. Included with that drawing, you should list the character's name and the parents' names. Each of these details will be covered in the additional videos that have been created.